welcome to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be participating in Tablescape Tuesdays, which is a weekly collaboration that's being hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Guys, they have these wonderful weekly Tablescape collaborations, and there will be other participants. I will leave all of their information for their channel links in the description bar below. Please go show them some love. They have some excellent channels, and I absolutely love sitting back and watching the collaborations each week. So mine is going to be the falling leaves theme. I love this idea. It's like going into the forest with the leaves, and I will be featuring all of those beautiful autumnal colors and featuring gold and creams as well as rust. So for my place setting, I have a beautiful leaf motif that has the rust color, and I have on top of that a charger that is glass with gold leafing, and it's a reef charger. It's so gorgeous. I added in cream dinnerware to break it up with gold trim, and I'm adding a simple gold salad plate with a little bit of that glam look to it with some gold flatware, and I love the way this looks. I wanted to get a lot of layers and sort of make it really glam and pretty. And I also have a gold lame napkin with a gold pumpkin napkin ring, and I think it turned out so adorable. I'm using the same stemware I had at my last Tablescape, which is this really pretty amber color. And guys, that's my place setting. This was actually inspired by my actual table runner, which I will get to in just a moment. But I did want to give you a look of these really pretty gold taper candle holders with these luminar taper candles in them, and I think it's the perfect touch for each side of the centerpiece. This is my table runner. It has the beautiful rust color with the gold embroidery, and that was the inspiration, with the linen tablecloth bringing in that cream, and that's where all the colors come from. Inside of this hurricane, if you are a subscriber, you notice was on my counter. I pulled it over to make it my tablescape for my centerpiece, and it has everything that you would find on the forest floor along with the leaves, and that was the idea. And it's all in this gold tray, which is so pretty. It brings everything together and ties all those items in. Even my candle holder has a gold leaf theme, and it has a luminar in there to bring in that same ambiance, along with that rust colored candle from Anthropology and a pine cone. One thing I really love is when the participants in Tablescape Tuesday do an evening, bringing in that ambiance, bringing in that evening theme. So I cut my lights down to give it that look. I hope it evokes that feeling, something that Anna does often. I wasn't able to participate in a collaboration with her, so this is sort of dedicated to you, Anna. I hope I surprised you by jumping in. Don't forget to go check out Anna, Grace Life DIY Home Decor's channel, along with Courtney, who kills it also, and Amethyst Adventures. I will leave their links along with the other participants in the description bar below, and I hope you check them out. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and I hope to see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.